to you again from the Airsoft Arms Fair 2012 at the Grange. Edgar Brothers have given us exclusive access at Yosser's Airsoft Odyssey to the latest offerings from KWA, which is the SR10 here and the SR7. Two full metal M4s with an upper and lower metal receiver, rear wide with a crane stock. These two versions we've got in front of us are the US spec, which includes the orange flash hider. They won't be like that for the UK market, and they're due to be released anytime soon.